And this morning we're going to take off and we're going to head over to Gator Joe's. Really a neat place to go check out. It's across the lake from Eden's Beach. Here we're getting ready. Another beautiful day here at the crossing. And Marcia's got a temporary cup holder until she gets her engine in her bike. And you just love riding on the back, don't you, baby?
Oh, I just can't think of a better thing to do. Go to the dentist and have a couple of teeth pulled.
Here we go.
This here was our trip. We left Williston and we got on 441 here and 318, met up with our buddies. We took this route this way. Now, we did change up a little bit here. We were going to go this route coming back home, but we didn't. There was an accident somewhere down here, and we had to go back up and come down this way and then shoot on across down here to get to Gator Joe's. Once we were at Gator Joe's, we left here, made a quick stop right here to get gas, and then we got on to Highway 42, and then here we got on 182nd Avenue, and we took that, and that is all fresh pavement from here to here. Then we just came on back and we headed home this way right here. I should, when I finish all these videos here from Williston to make the web page, on the web page I should have our GPX file of the route we made for you to do the same thing. I like it when Marcia's on the back of my bike. I mean, I like her riding with me, but let me tell you, she is missing her trike bad. Rest of the group, this is a Let's Ride Gainesville ride me and Marcia posted, and we're going to meet up with some of our buddies from our toy hauler group, the Frick group, at Gator Joe's. And it's still of Highway 318 when it crossed over 441. I tell you what, these trees and this road, always a sweet road to ride on. And of course, yep, our radio is cranked up. All right, remember I've always told you before you go check their website, see what they got going on. And here's Gator Joe's website. A few pictures, they got events, the shop, menu, photos, and you can make sure they're open. We just got here and we also met up with Tony and Vicky, which is always cool. And man, talking about cool, it's great having jackets on.
Very pretty.
We sat on their back deck, and just right behind the main building, they got more of a back deck back there. And straight across the river there, that's where Eden's Beach is at. We've been there already once. And this here just gives you a pretty good idea what Gator Joe's looks like. And come on, let's go through the building back to the front entrance now. Walking through here, you can end up spending a few minutes just reading all the writing on the wall. It's pretty neat there. Food's good. Let's go on outside now and get a better perspective of this place. Even today, there was 1 or 2 people in bikinis. It was a nice day out, and this is definitely a beachy looking area. There's some of the bikes and all parked, and I'm kind of repeating here just with you guys right now, showing the entrance, the way you come up to it. You can see the beach on both sides, but most of the place on the left is, I think, for the beach goers. On the right, they do have volleyball and stuff. And while waiting for our food, one of our members had dropped their phone, and it was in the water, that little black spot over there. I believe it's Don. He's going in there, and he's going to recover the phone. And it was a Samsung phone, so when they pulled it out, it still worked. They're pretty good. They're waterproof to about 3 feet. But that's Gator Joe's. Always seems to be pretty good here. Didn't hear any complaints. And this is, again, another one of the places we love going to. I mean, there's 2 great restaurants here on this Lake Weir. Here, everybody's saying their goodbyes, and we're getting ready to point them back towards the Williston Crossing. This also is one of my favorite roads. I think it's 25A right here. We left Gator Joe's, and we're heading to Highway 42. And I'll always love that view. I probably got a lot of video with that view. And, you know, we're listening to the radio. You're not hearing the music that we were hearing to, but I'm trying to make the best of it. Our quick gas stop. And this one other place on the other side of this bridge we're getting ready to go over, it's a marina there on the right-hand side. And I'm hoping maybe this week me and Marcia will check it out. I think they do have a snack bar. About 182nd Avenue having Fresh Asphalt. Our last stop, we said our goodbyes with what part of the group we had left. And again, always great to be with great friends, great roads, and great food.
Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's Motorcycle Trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?